Welcome back to LGS Cars. Buckle up because what we're about to show you is not just a car, it's an American icon reimagined. The 2026 Mustang GT is here, and it's louder, faster, and smarter than ever before. When Ford introduced the SC650 generation in 2024, enthusiasts were excited. But now in 2026, the Mustang GT has evolved into something even more thrilling. With its sharpened design, enhanced tech, and unchanged devotion to raw V8 muscle, this coupe keeps its legacy alive while embracing the future. Exterior, evolution of aggression. The 2026 Mustang GT features a more sculpted and aerodynamic body. New LED lighting signatures give the front fascia an even more aggressive look. The redesigned hood vents not only add visual drama, but also help with engine cooling during spirited driving. Available in bold new colors like Rapid Red 2.0 and Stealth Gray, this Mustang wants to be seen and heard. The rear features a reworked diffuser and quad exhaust setup that screams performance. And yes, the iconic tri-bar taillights remain, reminding you that this isn't just another sports car. This is a Mustang. Performance. V8 thunder never dies. Under the hood lies the beloved 5.0-liter Coyote V8, now fine-tuned to produce a whopping 500 horsepower in the GT Performance package. Whether paired with a 6-speed manual or the lightning-fast 10-speed automatic, the Mustang delivers pure analog joy. Ford's active valve exhaust system returns, letting you choose your soundtrack, from civilized quiet mode to full-blown muscle car roar. And with Magna-Ride suspension, optional Brembo brakes, and track-tuned stability control, the GT handles like a precision instrument. Interior, where retro meets tech, step inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit that merges Mustang tradition with cutting-edge tech. The digital cluster is fully customizable, and the 13.2-inch center touchscreen runs Ford's Sync 4 system with over-the-air updates. Premium materials line the cabin, with available Recaro seats for those who love spirited drives. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 12-speaker B&O sound system come standard on higher trims, because no road trip should be without your favorite playlist. Technology and safety. This is the smartest Mustang yet. Ford's Co-Pilot 360 suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot warning, and automatic emergency braking. You also get a new drift analyzer and track apps built right into the dash, because even safety features can be fun in a Mustang. Conclusion. Muscle with a modern mindset. The 2026 Ford Mustang GT is a defiant roar in an increasingly silent world of electric cars. It balances heritage with innovation, offering the raw thrill of V8 power alongside the comfort and tech today's drivers expect. Whether you're a lifelong fan or a new admirer, the Mustang GT delivers an experience that's visceral, visual, and unforgettable.